So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your wallpaper in MacBook. So if you're a new user and you don't know how to change the wallpaper, this video is for you. So let's just get right into it. Just go ahead and open System Settings, and once you're in Settings, just scroll down till you find Wallpaper right here. And now you can see many options over here. This is my current wallpaper. You can either choose the dynamic wallpapers that Mac already has, like landscape, cityscape, underwater, shuffle aerials, pictures, or you can just go ahead and tap on colors too. But if you don't like them and you want a personal touch to your wallpaper, just go ahead and tap on add photo. You can choose where you want to extract it from, and guys, you'll be able to change your wallpaper. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on from photos, and I'm just going to select this photo as my wallpaper. As you can see, I've successfully changed my wallpaper. Or if you don't like this one and you want to go back to it, then you can just go ahead and tap on your previous wallpaper too. As you can see, I've switched wallpaper many times. You can see this wallpaper right here. And guys, that's how you change your wallpaper in MacBook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.